Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about stress, the types of stress and how to deal with it. Did you know that there are different types of stress and each one has a different impact on your body? According to a study released in 2017 called Neurobiological and Systematic Effect of Chronic Stress, you can stress out in three different type of ways. Good stress is when you face a challenge, take a risk and feel good about the result. It's also called stress. For instance, do you hate it when you have to go to the gym and work out? Having confidence in yourself and thinking positive are key. Having confidence in yourself and thinking positively are the keys to managing stress. Unspaced good stress is when you know you will feel much better once you are done with that workout. Tolerable stress, the next type is called tolerable stress, which is when tough situation occurs but someone with a healthy brain can handle it, often with help from family, friends or others. In this case, distress in the uneasy feeling that you get when you cannot control a situation but the situation is manageable. Toxic stress. Finally, toxic stress is when someone faces difficult situations without much support, leading to issues with impulse controls, judgments and self-esteem. In these cases, the level of distress can be more intense and prolonged and can impact both your physical and mental health. Now let us look at what it does to your body. First, your brain. Having a lot of stress can make your memory blurry. How Dr. Ashutosh Shah, consultant psychiatrist at Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation, Mumbai, explains the harm comes chiefly from the uncontrolled secretion of cortisol. Cortisol is secreted unchecked and over a prolonged period damage brain cells, chiefly the hippocampus, the memory area. Stress also triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can impair your cognitive function, leading to difficulties concentrating and decision making challenges. Chronic stress may contribute to anxiety and depression, affecting overall mental health. It also affects cognitive functions, leading to difficulties concentrating, memory problem and impaired judgment. Number 2, your heart. Prolonged stress can elevate blood pressure and heart rate, increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases like hypertension, heart attack and strokes. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, anxiety can cause a rapid heart rate. Tachycardia can interfere with normal heart function and increase the risk of sudden cardiac arrest. Sometimes stress also promotes unhealthy habits such as overeating or smoking, further straining and heart. 3. Your muscle. If you often feel stiffness in your neck, shoulder and back and cannot figure out why, stress can be the reason behind it. Apart from your bad posture, Dr. Vidhi Sharma, consulting physician, Ruby Hall Clinic, Hinjewadi, Pune, says muscle tension and pain, particularly in the neck, shoulders and back, are common manifestation of stress. Chronic muscle tension often contributes to conditions like tension, headache and migraines. Number 4, your stomach and digestive system. Do you also get butterflies or feel sick in your stomach while you are stressed out? Well, this is because your stomach has a relation to stress. If you are stressed too much often, your body will have a hard time recovering. This impedes the flow of digestion and can cause stomach upset. Dr. Sharma says that stress can lead to gastrointestinal issues such as upset stomach, diarrhea, constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Now you know why you were not able to poop before your big test or a big meeting. 5. Skin expert often says that stress shows your skin. If you have too much stress, it can aggravate Your skin condition like acne, eczema, physiologist and resource due to the release of stress hormones and inflammatory responses. It can also slow down the skin healing process, leading to delayed recovery from wounds and exacerbation of existing skin issues. Number 6. Immune system. Chronic stress weakens the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections, illnesses, and autoimmune disease. Stress hormones can suppress immune responses, impairing the body ability to fight off pathogens effectively. 7. Respiratory system. Stress can trigger or even worsen respiratory system problems such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease by causing shallow breathing, tightening of airways, and increased inflammation in the respiratory tract. However, this occurs when the stress level is a toxic level and happens when you stress too often. Jaws. Number 8. Jaws. Some people when in stress often dense or grind their jaws, when can lead jaw pain, headache, and temporomandibular joint disorder. These TMJ disorders can cause pain and dysfunction in the jaws, joint and muscles that controls jaws movement. TMJ disorder can cause pain and dysfunction in your jaws point. So, image clenching also contribute to dental issues like tooth wear, fractures, and gum recession. Number 9. It affect your eyes. Stress can manifest as eyes, causing symptoms like eye blurry vision, eye twitching, and headaches. Prolonged stress may exacerbate conditions like glaucoma, damage or vision, or contribute to the development of vision problem over time. Number 10 is reproductive system. The stress hormones cortisol can disrupt reproductive function in both men and women. This can cause decreased libido, menstrual irregularities, erectile dysfunction, and other fertility issues. Chronic stress may also impact pregnancy outcomes and contribute to complications such as preterm birth or low birth weight. How to manage your stress better? Now that we know what stress does to your body, here is what Dr. Sharma and Dr. Shah have to say on how to manage your stress. Dr. Shah says to deal with stress, one needs to develop a buffer. To deal with stress, this buffer can be developed using a lifestyle that promotes brain and body health. Dr. adds practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditations, progressive muscle relaxation, and yoga can help calm your mind and reduce muscles tension. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscles relaxation can help you manage stress. So, here is number 1, how to deal with stress. Move your body. Dr. Shah advised that children should get a minimum of an hour of intense physical activity every day, and adults should do a minimum 30 minutes of brisk walking daily. He says sitting for long hours has the equivalent health risk as smoking. So stretch and move your body with periodic breaks once every hour to prevent neck, back, hand and eye fatigue. Dr. Sharma agrees that consistent physical activity aids in the release of endorphins, natural stress elevators. Number 2, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Dr. Sharma says that one of the ways to navigate stress is to have a healthy diet and overall lifestyle. Dr. Shah agrees we should eat traditionally cooked balanced meals which are healthy for the heart, eat at fixed intervals, and eat to satisfy hunger, not our taste. Maintain minimum 12 hours gap between dinner and breakfast. Hydrate yourself well. Avoid excessive tea, coffee or stimulant consumption. He says, number 3, set boundaries. One of the major reasons for toxic stress is when someone feels overloaded from work or even emotions. So to manage this type of stress, learn to reduce extra obligations, priorities, tasks, and delegate when possible, says Dr. Sharma. Dr. Shah says one should delegate 8 hours sleep, 8 hours of work, 2 hours for house chores, 2 hours for family and friends, and 2 hours for self, hobbies, play, exercise, homework. Know your limits well and don't overstretch yourself, he adds. And number 4, stay connected. Seek support from friends, family, and therapists. Talking about your feeling might help you feel better and gain perspective. Number 5, engage in hobbies. Spend time doing activities you enjoy, whether it's reading, gardening, painting, and playing music. Engaging in hobbies can distract you from stressors and promote relaxation. Number 6, sleep well. Sleep well is an active process which repairs and restores your brain and body and makes it ready to face the challenges of the new days. Dr. Shah says advise that a minimum of 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep beginning 3 hours after sunset is recommended for children. For adults, a minimum of 7 to 9 hours of sleep, uninterrupted sleep recommended. Adults should get a minimum of 7 to 9 hours of sleep, uninterrupted sleep. According to experts, sleep removes a lot of toxic chemical byproducts that are generated during the day in the brain and body. Any interference in this cleaning process would impair the functioning of the brain and the body and compromise the ability of an individual to deal with stressors. Point to note, experts say that despite adhering to the aforementioned lifestyle, if you still feel stress in a stressful situation for more than a month and it interferes with your productivity or social functioning, consult psychiatrist and don't just keep thinking about it. You can do good eating, meditation, and working out. This can help us manage our stress and protect our body from its harmful effect. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, because in this era somewhere everybody facing these issues like stress. It can be your office, your family dispute, your love affairs. So thanks a lot and keep watching my